Hello, welcome. Since you all loved my previous vlog so much, I thought let's do another one. Even though today life is not interesting, I have nothing to do. Having my black seeds, kalunji. So COVID is on the rise again. That means I am trying my best to avoid outdoors, events, gatherings, meeting people. Nuh-uh, it's not my thing right now. So I've been a homebody for the past week and I love it. Anyway, these are my sugar bear gummies. I finished my previous one, so I started these. Sorry. I'm gonna show you something. Yesterday I bought this coffee from Starbucks and this is in the size venti. Venti is the biggest size that we have over here. It can be very hard to finish the full cup, so I end up leaving half of it. So now what I'm gonna do is be a typical Desi and make it long, and I'm gonna show you how I do it. So buy one, make it last 2 days. Let me show you. It was gonna fall. So for this we will be using my espresso machine. I'm gonna take one capsule, put it in there, turn it on. There we go. And did you just see the magic happen? Went from this to this. And I've got this creamer in the flavor hazelnut latte. I'm gonna add a little bit of that. I have ordered something from IKEA and I have to go pick it up because it's ready for pickup today. And what else do I have to do? I'm supposed to film something today, but I don't have the energy to. We'll see. I'm just gonna do something real quick on my laptop and then I'll go out. I'm gonna apply my vitamin C serum because that's the best thing to apply in the morning. Gonna take a little bit. A, B, C, D, F, U, and U. Okay. After my vitamin C, I'm gonna apply my hyaluronic acid, which helps hydrate skin. It's one of the best ways to hydrate your skin. My skin is very, very dry these days. And obviously, the last step, which is so important, is to smell good. And in order to smell good, I'm gonna be applying my sugar. By the way, we have... Oh, every time I smell it, I go to another universe. It smells amazing. We've got 20% off sale going on, end of year sale. Don't miss out. If you still haven't tried my perfume, you definitely should. Link is in the description box below. We ship worldwide and we have free shipping. So I am leaving and this is what it looked like. Ignore the chappals, these are house chappals. But wearing a cute jumper, have my coffee. Okay, let's leave. Hello, I'm on my way to IKEA. The traffic is actually less these days because it's winter time, everyone has holidays, people have gone to their countries, they're traveling. Schools are closed, which is amazing, I love that. So when schools are closed, there's less traffic on the roads, which is... Got it. So right now I'm here at a tandoor to get myself roti for lunch. Assalamu alaikum bhai. Ji, 2 roti chahiye please. Oh my god. Just place an order for roti, and if you didn't know, roti is basically bread that we have. It's called tandoori roti, and tandoor is basically like an oven, which is like an underground oven. It's super cool, a huge part of our culture. So basically they make a dough of the bread and stick it inside this underground oven. It's super cool. I have a lot of non-Desi followers too who don't know about our culture, so I thought I should enlighten them. He's here. शुक्रिया. कितना? 6. 6 एक सेकंड. ये 3 दिरहम का है जी. ये 3 दिरहम का है. 4 है. 4 नहीं, मैंने 2 मांगा था. कितना मांगता? 2 मांगा था. 2 मांगता? दे दो. 3 दिरहम दे. 150. ओके, थैंक यू सो मच. शुक्रिया. I ordered 2 rotis. He got me 4. Panic. Hola. Whee! That was easy. It's done. Okay, I'm gonna test it out. Okay, so this can be used as a footstool and as an extra seat. I just wish this could be like detachable and maybe they could make it like a storage over here, but the storage ones were so expensive. This was on sale, so I got it. Whee! I love it. It's actually pretty good. Like, it's wide enough for you to like sit. You can't sit on it for a long time because obviously it doesn't have a back, but it's nice for an extra seat, you know. I got home and I found this package at my doorstep. I bought rosemary oil for my hair. I've seen this a lot on the internet. Rosemary is supposed to help with your hair fall and it's gonna help with new hair growth. Got this oil by Himani from Amazon. I'm gonna start applying this at least twice a week to see results. Like just now when I was opening the sofa and assembling it, my hair was open. The place is full of hair. By the way, it smells amazing. I'm just gonna start applying it in my roots and we'll see how it goes. My sweatshirt is full of my hair. This is not normal, okay? Bah! Anyway, now I'm gonna have to vacuum this place because it's full of hair, and seeing hair on the floor is my biggest pet peeve. I hate it so much. Anyway, if you have any tips for stopping the hair fall, please let me know. I'm a neat freak. I always have to clean my wherever I am. Even if I'm at a friend's house, I will be cleaning it. Even if I'm in a hotel, I'm cleaning it. I've done that, but that's just me. I mean, being a neat freak is better than being unhygienic and dirty and messy and not knowing where your belongings are. Look at this beauty. Wait. Look at this. I'm having krygosht. Mouth is watering. Absolutely love it. Look at that. The beauty, the spices. Bismillah. That burst of flavors. Nothing beats it. Yum, yum, yum. Chicken karahi is actually my favorite. Honestly, love everything, but chicken karahi just elite. I had my lunch and I was supposed to film 2 videos, but I'm just not feeling like it. It was a makeup tutorial and paid collaboration video. I think I'll do that tomorrow. Now I'm just gonna wind down, chill. I don't really have anything to do anymore. I'm gonna edit this vlog right here, and after I'm done with it, I will be watching my money heist because I want to complete it. So before I had my lunch, I received a delivery and I want to show you what I got. Let me show you. It's right here, and by the packaging I think you can tell what it is. It's chocolates. And then you guys say, why are you not losing weight? Guys, like when chocolates come to you without you even ordering them, do you think it's easy to resist it? I don't think so. Come here, let me show you. Really pretty packaging, by the way. Look at that. I ate one already. So these are like dates covered with chocolate. God, it's delicious. I've not been going to the gym for a while now, but I'll restart. I've taken a break from everything. I felt very pressured, so I needed to take a break and step back. I was just thinking about it. All I do is stay at home. This is literally what I do. I stay at home. I watch my series, I do my work, and I go to bed. I'm not a social person. Plus, COVID is on the rise, so I don't even know what to do outside. And I'm refraining from meeting new people because I'm scared, you know, like what if they're carrying the new variant? I am really scared. I'm actually paranoid to an extent because literally every single person that I know is getting the new COVID. I'm scared. So I don't even know. Anyway, I will end this vlog here. I don't have anything else to do, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope you had fun. I will see you in my next video. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye. Yay. Okay, bye.